turn it on. Alright, taxiing out. Lionel, you okay with me taxiing out?
Yeah, you can go.
Okay. George says it doesn't require that much runway to take off, right, Bob?
He said if you're not careful, it'll jump right up.
Okay. I'm just going to give it a little bit of high-speed taxi to see what her tendencies are. Wow, this thing just really moves. I'm barely bumping the throttle, man.
1,806 milliamp hours, 1 minute and 54 seconds.
And when you will be...
Go ahead, Lionel. I'm gonna...
No, I'm fine.
I'll pull out the runway right now. Yep,
Okay.
no problem.
Thank you for that.
Take your time. I was on my way there, just...
Okay, I can go now?
Yep.
Up to you. Okay.
You are clear. Runway 100% yours.
1,914 milliamp hours, 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Mr. Ray. Okay.
Liberator. Right, okay.
Roger that, Ray.
30
Yep.
seconds.
Runway's all yours, Lionel. Okay.
You are empty on the runway. Sky's clear.
Roger that. It's on, Bob. This is off. I have.
Driving that thing around, we're going to get you an RC car.
Alright, guys. The Goon taking off right to left.
Straight down the runway.
Remember, George said it has a tendency to take off at 10 feet.
Roger that. Slowly ROG. Wow. No, this thing flies really well. It just self-rotated.
You mean it banked itself?
No, it's
Flying itself?
No, it's self-rotated.
It doesn't need you at all then.
It doesn't need me.
See, now that Frank sees it, he wants it. After all that bad mouthing.
Oh God, this thing.
Bad mouthing. Like, yeah, I don't like the landing gear. It's not right.
You were right.
Oh God, this thing flies great. That's hands off. It's hands off.
Wow.
That's hands off. That's 100% hands. I didn't do anything. I gave it a little bit of. I think it's it feels okay though. It doesn't feel. It's
Gyro?
yeah, I have the 11 channels. So look at that. It's right there. I'm not doing anything.
Did you put a rudder air on there?
I did, and I haven't.
Does not need
The one that
air.
started all that. Oh, he almost had me. And then he said the G word.
Okay.
What's that?
Gyro.
Oh. Nobody makes you use the gyro.
Yeah, you don't have to turn it on.
Oh, I'm just messing with you guys.
Barely on.
Is that half throttle?
Yeah, that's like under half. It's about half.
Yeah.
That's about half. Yeah.
Oh man, this guy's in a DX.
Frank, 300 out of stock already, man.
I'll wait. I do like the green one. I haven't seen the silver one. The green
This is like the one that flies over when they come to the Collins Foundation.
Oh, is that right, Ray? Is that's a witchcraft, right? Or
I think that's
Oh, it is a
Witchcraft,
That's
yeah.
the same one.
didn't Peter write on the witchcraft?
Mom, Peter got it right.
I like Peter got 17.
No, it was that.
I think it was
You get a choice of
Yeah, I
Okay.
think it was a couple of. We've all ordered custom.
Thank you, Ray.
Look how stable it is.
It's really stable. It's like this is
Witchcraft is the one that this is based off of.
Okay.
Look at that.
You know what
that's
I
no
like
flaps. No flaps.
what I like
Oh, that wing, it's what it is. It's
Yeah.
got a whole wing.
what I like about this, the wing comes apart, and then what I found is that
That's full throttle
these
climbing.
double rudder plates sit nice in my car actually.
Yeah.
They just sit them and it works. It works so well. Yeah. Dude, I don't know, man. I might be selling some stuff and getting shit.
I don't know. I'm gonna go full bore coming in.
Okay. It's a beautiful throttle pass.
Yeah, I'll do a full throttle right
You
now.
were right, man. You were right.
You do it
I
down
should never have questioned you. you were right the whole way.
Jeez, this thing hauls ass, dude. That's a
That's into the wind. That's
That-
not bad at
Now
all.
turn it around and go with the wind, see how it looks.
okay.
Nobody's up.
The survey you gave me with the two hands, the buffet doors.
What size battery do you got there?
Two 4000 4S's.
That's the same size I use in my Tiger Cat.
Jesus Christ, that's fast. Dude, that
Very scale.
yeah, that it doesn't need 4S, dude. You could put like
I don't know what it is.
That's
with
3S
these-
or 4?
Is that 3?
this is 4S,
Okay.
but
I
it.
don't know what it is with these manufacturers coming out with planes that go faster than scale. That's not realistic.
Oh my god.
The only way, yeah, I know. It's like they just doesn't dawn on them that
They don't
just dial the
recommend. Did they say
throttle
they
back.
should 3S?
Only flying full
They
throttle.
recommend 4S for
Want to putz around when you want.
I'm sure it's
You
flying
want to be able to get
3S.
out of it if you want.
What I really don't like is a plane that's underpowered.
She's a beaut.
Okay, one more pass. I'm gonna bring her in and check the voltage.
Try on your landing when it be on minor
Broke,
runways.
but
Okay, no problem, Ray.
To the side.
Thanks for letting me know, my man.
in a little bit.
If you wait till Tuesday,
On your landing, I'm
you
going to stand in front of you
get
so that
bought
you
a
can't see. Is that
Ricky Carl.
don't want to make you nervous.
Yeah. It's like lean on me.
Like, hey, what are you doing? You're crashing this thing. Oh, what? You can't see? Nice.
I would have given you the money right then if you just bought it
Oh
in.
god,
Yeah.
this thing has so much power, dude.
This thing is 430.
That was a good pass.
This would fly great on 3S too. If you get a couple of 3S 5000s in here or 6000s, it'll
You know what I like about
Yeah.
I've said it
gear
before.
check. I'm gonna do a gear check pass.
To be a
Nice.
fan of
Well, yeah, because they're
Warbirds.
right. They're,
Yeah.
it's
Well,
like
you also got-
the
In the
F7.
beginning, you got
It
crackers.
just bolts in.
No, it's
No,
no,
left
no, it's
prop,
not
right.
great.
Left prop,
They
right.
didn't do
Yeah,
anything
they
for
have
me.
the
They
middle
just
area
didn't
of the
do
prop
anything
is
for
the
me. I didn't
same
think they
all.
were cool. And I think
Gear check.
what changed was when I went to
You're down.
Yeah. All right, 3 down.
what
Okay.
changed when I went to and I got to see all of these planes, and then I was like, now I get it. That's why I got the E10.
I'm gonna do landing flaps even with the headwind.
I wouldn't do flats with head.
Yeah.
I think I would.
I think I would. I would
It doesn't have the
take
big
it
wing
up
like
and
the
just see what it
B-17.
does. I would use flaps.
True. Fair enough.
Because
We'll
it's
leave it
gonna
up to
come
the
in
pilot.
I'll use takeoff flaps. They're very minimal. On final approach, right to left.
Steady wins if I see you have the lift.
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Dude, with full flap, that shit would have been
Very nice.
super slow.
On the video, it's like it went off the end of the earth.
Yeah. It goes over the hump. Yeah, that was takeoff flaps. It settled. I don't think it needs flaps, honestly, because it was. I gave it. You guys saw. I gave it a little bit too much elevator, and it kind of hesitated at the end.
Yeah.
I was just trying to see what it would do, but it doesn't need it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
How much trim did you need?
Barely a little bit on the aileron. That's it, though.
How does it react when you do the flaps? Does it balloon at all? Or?
No, it doesn't balloon. It doesn't do anything. It just tracks straight. It tracks straight. It doesn't do anything. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I love these old warbirds. The Goon. Yeah, this is actually a real one that was fighting in the Pacific, actually.
28 bombing missions?
They did 24, but the top turret gunner was actually a sharpshooter back in Arizona, and he actually took out 16 zeros. It was like one of the single.
He knew how to hit them, huh?
Yeah, he knew. I mean, you know how hard it is to hit those fighters back then.
It was like hitting a mosquito from 400 feet.
Just like,
Yeah.
yeah. What the Hey, thank you. I know. I'm breaking the rules. They say these gears will survive the grass.